students. Now we will start our topic nomenclature of organic compound. First of all, we know about the science. Then branches of science, physics, chemistry, biology and math, etc. Then under the heading of chemistry, with the development of chemistry, we know that organic compounds are the natural compound either obtained from plants or animals. Then accidentally by Wöhler, urea will be discovered in the lab, and after the discovery of urea, then acetic acid, then methane and large number of organic compounds will be developed. Then with the increase in number of organic compounds, their nomenclature must be necessarily, otherwise we can't identify the compound. For nomenclature, beta, initially we have only one method is known as trial method of nomenclature, that is known as trial method or trial system of naming of organic compound. Under this, organic compound is named after their source of synthesis, after their source. For example, first organic compound we prepared in the lab is urea. Beta, it is prepared in the lab, that is urea. How its name is urea? Beta, because first time it is found in urine of mammal. Then it is urea. In the same way, large number of compounds are being named according to their synthesis, according to their sources. Then, but these names or discovery of organic compound is not fruitful for all of the world. It is fruitful for particular country. Then, for naming the organic compound that is useful for whole of the world, a committee is decided. That committee is known as IUPAC, System of Nomenclature. This International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry Committee will decide some rules for the naming of organic compounds. And after these naming, the organic name of organic compound is common from one country to another, and discovery of compounds will be fruitful for whole of the world. So, particular system for nomenclature of organic compound is necessary. Beta, this IUPAC committee decides some rules. Basic rule decided by this committee is word root, the functional group used after the word root is known as suffix. After the word root, functional group used is known as suffix. These suffixes are converted into primary suffix and secondary suffix. And the functional group used before the functional group, before the word root is known as prefix. Just before the word root is known as primary prefix, and then secondary prefix, tertiary prefix and so many. Beta, this rule is known as basic rule. This is known as basic rule decided by IUPAC committee. First of all, what is word root? Beta, word root is the nomenclature of organic compound which decide on the basis of number of carbon atoms. On the basis of number of carbon atoms. Beta, number of carbon atom in chain and use word root for that. If number of carbon atom in chain is 1, we use word root with. If 2 carbon in the chain, beta it is eth. 3 carbon, it is prop. For 4 carbon, it is but. You mark A. I will explain why A is represented from the 4 later on. 5, beta it is pent. 6, it is hex. 7, it is hept. 8, it is oct. 9, it is non. 10, it is dec. 11, undec. 12, dodec, tridec, etc. These are the word roots. These are the word roots decided by the IUPAC committee for nomenclature of organic compound. Beta, for the nomenclature of organic compound. Here, after deciding the word root, we will move on for suffixes. We are moving on suffixes. Beta, these suffixes, suffix, the functional group, used after the word root. Beta, these suffixes are again categorized into 2 parts. Primary suffix, the suffix used just after the word root. Beta, suffix is also used for the functional group. Primary suffixes are only 3. If we have carbon, single bond carbon functional group, it is functional group. Primary suffix is ane. Primary suffix is ane. It is used for alkane. If one of the carbon double bond carbon is present, it is alkene. Primary suffix is ene. If one of the triple bond is present, it is known as ine. Beta, it is for alkyne. We have only 3 primary suffixes. Beta, we have only 3 primary suffixes: ane, ene, ine. Ane for carbon-carbon single bond, ene for carbon-carbon double bond, ine for carbon-carbon triple bond. Then secondary suffixes. Beta, secondary suffixes are those functional groups which are used after primary suffix. These secondary suffixes are used for other classes of functional group, that is other class of organic compound. Beta, secondary suffix, functional group. If OH is used as functional group, beta, secondary suffix is ol. For CHO, aldehyde, it is al. For ketone, it is on. Not one. Beta, it is on. One is complete letter, but it is incomplete. It is called on. For carboxylic acid group, it is oic acid. For acid chloride, it is oil chloride. For acid amide, it is amide. NH2, it is amine. For NH2, it is amine. For ONO, it is nitrite. For CN, it is nitrile, etc. Better, these are the functional group used as secondary prefix. If functional group OH present in the carbon chain, we use OH as secondary suffix ol. For CHO, it is al. For CO, it is on. For COOH, it is oic acid. For COCl, oil chloride. For CONH2, it is acid amide. NH2, it is amine. ONO, nitrite. ONO, it is nitrite. And CN, it is nitrile. If ester functional group is present, if functional group is ester, then what will happen? Beta, for ester, it is alkyl, space for word root and primary suffix O8. For acid anhydride, we will use secondary suffix as anhydride. Clear? Then the functional group which is used before the word root is known as prefix. Prefixes are the functional group used before the word root. Again, these are classified into primary and secondary prefix. Beta, primary prefix is used just before the functional group. Word root. Just before the word root. Primary prefix is only one. Beta, cyclo is for closed chain structure. Is for closed chain structure. Secondary prefix, these are used before primary prefix. These are used before primary prefix. These are, better, there are so many that are used before word root. Functional group, secondary prefix. Beta, for halogen, X, it is halo. That is, for fluorine, it is fluoro. For chlorine, it is chloro. For bromine, it is bromo. Iodine, it is iodo. For NO2 group, nitro. For NH2, amino. COH, it is formyl. Or carboxy, only carboxy, not formyl. Carboxy. CN, cyano. For N triple bond C, isocyano. For CHO, formyl. Beta, for CO, it is keto. For CO, it is keto. These are the functional groups used as secondary prefix. Learn this. Thank you.